House Creatives Ambush Interview. What's your name and what do you do?
I'm Coach Keith. I'm the head creatives of Real Talk Darbs and House Creative.
Yun, as the head creative, meron tayong 1-minute timer. Explain, possible ba makagawa ng magandang edit in just 24 hours or less than pa nga? Timer starts now. Go!
I think possible siya. Ang pinakaunang sekreto dyan is number 1, dapat meron kang structure. Kinakailangan meron kang system or process na sinusunod para alam mo kung ano yung pagkakasunod-sunod. Pangalawa, dapat ma-familiarize mo yung sarili mo doon sa mismong content. Ito, ang ine-edit ko right now is yung kay Alvin Aragon. Lord, patawarin mo ako! Yun yung parang issue na na itatackle natin. And number 3, kinakailangan maramdaman mo yung mismong content. Kasi kapag naramdaman mo yung content, the audience will also feel kung ano yung gusto mong iparamdam sa kanila. So, yun yung 3 sekreto. Unang-una, gumamit ka ng roadmap. Pangalawa, familiarize yourself with the content or the video that you will be creating or editing. And pangatlo, ramdamin mo. I-savor mo yung emotion so that your audience will savor the emotions too.
Yun! So, to build credibility, meron ba tayong 10 seconds?
Yun.
Meron ka ba talagang na-edit in less than 24 hours tapos nag-viral?
Of course, yung kay Gigi, marami na. I generated 1 billion views.
So, yun lang naman. Time's up. And thank you so much, Coach Kit. And meron pa tayong 1-minute secrets sa iba namang mga staff here in House Creatives.